For the Asian American community, it's particularly important that we get counted in the census. As a very diverse population, it is important that our numbers are counted for all the different community groups because it helps to ensure that our community is well represented in the data that once again helps to determine policy decisions and budget allocations. So for our Census 2010 campaign, AAJC produced a number of materials. This campaign was comprehensive in the fact that it included a website resource that included information that was accessible throughout the nation of all materials and documents that were created with respect to the census. To help local organizations get involved in the redistricting process, which is quite complex and involved, AAJC, in partnership with the NAACP Legal Defense and Education Fund and the Mexican American Legal Defense and Education Fund, have published a redistricting guide entitled The Impact of Redistricting in Your Community. And this guide is meant to really help communities of color understand why redistricting is important for their particular communities, why they should get involved, and to provide some practical information and tips about how they can get involved. We know that people were excited, and not just in the Asian American community, but with the partners in other communities of colors that we work with, such as NALEO and NCAI. You know, we know that all of our communities were energized, and I think we're all hopeful that we can build upon that, not just for the next census, but also for the American Community Survey, also for the redistricting process, also for voting as we move forward, and really just being civically engaged in any way that they see fit.